Hello, my name is Dr. Jennifer Sweeton, and I'm a licensed clinical psychologist specializing in the treatment of anxiety, trauma, and the neuroscience of mental health and illness. I'm really excited to come to Australia this July and August to present my one-day seminar, Building a Resilient Brain, How to Apply the Latest Neuroscience-Based Brain-Changing Techniques for Better Mental Health. I was originally trained as a neuroscientist and have always been very fascinated by the neuroscience of mental health and illness and looking at what's happening in the brain in various conditions such as depression or addiction or trauma or anxiety. The thing that can be difficult, though, when I talk to a lot of clinicians about their interest in neuroscience is that oftentimes these seminars can be very dense with a lot of jargon. They can be difficult to understand, and a lot of times clients and clinicians who attend these workshops are left wondering, how do I actually apply this to help people? Or how do I leave and understand how to apply this to myself to help myself in my own life? So my main goal in this experiential workshop is to not only present the brain science to you in a digestible, straightforward, easy to understand manner, but also begin to build a bridge between that and application. So bridging science and application. There are certain categories of techniques that we know from neuroscience research change the brain in particular ways in the direction of health. I'm going to present to you what those categories of techniques are and what areas of the brain they specifically change. Because if you understand what's happening in the brain in various conditions and you understand the types of tools and techniques that tend to help those brain areas, then that allows you to begin to take more of a brain-based, client-centered approach to therapy. And it allows us to be much more creative in our interventions. So I hope you join me in July or August, and I look forward to meeting you.